when I posted this time 11:45 on 10th of March, so I got few calls how I got this time 11:45. The same I am going to explain how I got 11:45 a.m. on 10th of March. Let's do the exercise to find this time. Hello students, how are you? This is the chart of Nifty, and on 10th of March it formed the swing high. What at 16,557.30, and that was formed within the first minute of the day. So what I did, I just noted the high of that first minute swing 16,757, and the low it was 16,593. What was the difference? That was 164 points. I converted that into minutes. I say that it is 164 minutes. In nutshell, it is 2 hours and 44 minutes or 2 hours 45 minutes. I added this 2 hours 45 minutes to the opening time of 9. What the outcome is? That outcome is 11:44 a.m. or 11:45 a.m. I noted that candle 11:45, 11:45, 11:30, 11:38, 11:45. Here it is 11:45. I formed the trend decider by using the high low of this 1 minute, and that trend decider started working, and from there never the price moved above this, and price started falling from there, and at this point it is trading at 16,626. Let's check out after some time what would be the bottom of the day. And this is the chart. Price यहाँ से fall करते हुए it dropped to 16,429 or 44, almost 300 points from there. Pull back, but never was able to breach this trend decider, and it has formed a triangle. In last 2 days. I don't know how it is going to work in future. This is the first time I attempted this, and it really worked as a rock. Weekly trading levels part 1 is ready. I'm just posting today. I will try to complete the list by tomorrow, and then I will present the second list also as soon as it is ready with me. कुछ सप्ताह पहले बहुत क्लियरली और बोल्डली मैंने ये कहा था कि हम इन्फ्लेशन तो कंट्रोल करने में सक्षम नहीं है विदाउट डेंटिंग द ग्रोथ ऑफ इकोनॉमी, लेकिन हम शायद इस बात में तो सक्षम हो सकें कि जो रशिया और यूक्रेन का क्राइसिस है उसको बिना युद्ध में इन्वॉल्व हुए सॉल्व कर सके। लेकिन वर्ल्ड लीडर्स ने ये प्रूव कर दिया कि हम कुछ भी हैंडल करने में सक्षम नहीं हैं। आज यूक्रेन कह रहा है कि मैं नेटो का मेंबर नहीं बनूंगा, इस बात को मैं साइन करने को रेडी हूं। यही बात केवल उनको युद्ध से पहले करनी थी, और द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूक्रेन was trying to involve the whole world in this crisis. उसने यूरोपियन यूनियन से और नेटो से बहुत ज़ोर से अपील की कि आप सब भी आओ और इस युद्ध को हम बड़ा युद्ध बनाते हैं। मैं बहुत स्पष्ट कह रहा हूँ यहाँ पर, लेकिन उसके बाद उनके इमोशनल डायलॉग्स को सुनने के बाद ना केवल कंट्रीज बट बहुत सारी कॉरपोरेट भी एक्शन में आ गई।